Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to insert a new template or use a new template for your slides created on the office.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device and start creating your slides. After that you should tap on this design button at the top, and here you can find a bunch of templates. If you tap on this arrow pointing downwards, you can select the or choose from more templates and themes. Here you can see them, so just simply tap on the relevant one and here you can find how it looks like. You can also check out additional designs by tapping on the designer button. So here you can check them out according to your selected theme, and here you can find other options and variants of the selected theme. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.